So what's going on guys, Kids here, welcome back to a brand new video, and here is my gaming setup. So just taking a quick look at it, first things first, on the right side is a streaming PC, then on the left side is a gaming PC. Both of them have a bunch of different specs and prices, which of course you can see on the screen. So here for the right PC and here for the left one. Then here is a Arozzi gaming chair. It was like a gaming one, but it only costs about 200 bucks, but soon I'll just buy the extracer. So going even further, here are my two monitors, which are 27-inch. Each of them costs about 200 bucks, so on the left side and on the right side. And in the middle is the big one, which is Asus ROG 25Q something. It costs about $550 to $600. It's really good. It has 240 Hz, so for esports and everything else, it is amazing. Then here, when we take a look, is the camera, which is the Logitech C922. It's kind of decent, like 100 bucks. Almost everyone uses them who don't want to just spend too much money on a webcam. So here it is. Then this is basically like a stand for the webcam, but I just didn't like it, so it just stands there. Then going on the left side, here is a ring light. In my opinion, it isn't as good, and soon I'll buy two Elgato ones, so on the right side and on the left side, so the light could shine in the middle, which would be the perfect lighting. Then here is my microphone, which is AT2035. It's an XLR one. It's kind of good. It costs like about 150 200 bucks. And then here is a bad boy, which is GOXLR, basically this thing. So basically it makes that both my PCs I can hear with one headset and use with one microphone. So it's one of the best things ever. It costs a lot because like there are voice changers and different things, but it's one of the best things ever, and it's the easiest dual PC setup audio which you could ever ask for. Then take a look at my both keyboards. This one is basically like a wireless as well with a mouse. Basically that was a bundle or whatever. It is for my streaming PC, so I can just enable streaming and that's it. And here on the right side is my Logitech G502. It's a good mouse, in my opinion, too heavy, and I bought a new one, so that will be shipped in the next month or so, at least I hope. And here is my keyboard, which is Corsair K65 Lux. In my opinion, it's an amazing keyboard. Probably will get one better, but for now, it does the job good. Then here on the back is my triple monitor arm. It was one of the best arms which I could buy in my own country store, so it was like 250 bucks. It's really good, it's really stable, and everything else you can change like the positions of each monitor, put higher or lower, so in my opinion it's really cool. Then on the back it's a LED light, and if you take a look a bit closer, it basically has a bunch of plastic things so it doesn't damage your eyes whenever you are gaming. Then here on with mouses is basically a mouse bungee, so it's easier for the cords and everything else. In my opinion, it helps a lot. Then for the mouse pad, it's basically like a HyperX XL version. I will buy like a bit bigger one because there's a huge space in which I want to fill in, so my hand doesn't need to be like half on the table, half on the gaming mouse pad. So that's why I'll buy a bigger one soon. And then whenever we take a look a bit farther away, this is basically a desk which I built myself. It's really easy from IKEA. There is a wooden tabletop. Of course, if you buy your own, you can choose whatever color you want. And then on the left side and on the right side are two drawers from IKEA as well. Basically, you can just put a bunch of things. It's really stable. The tabletop doesn't move at all. And in my opinion, it's really cheap, like 300 bucks for a really good gaming desktop. And in my opinion, it's 10 out of 10. Looks really good. My camera is kind of bad, so you cannot see like all the colors and stuff, but it's definitely really good. And especially the tabletop just looks awesome. And of course with this remote I just put whatever lights I want. So whenever we take a look further, I think it's basically it. Then there's a wallpaper or whatever on the left side. On the right side I'll just probably buy a bit more in the future. And the last thing but not the least is for all the wires. So basically if you want to have the same thing as me, here you can see is all the wires and everything else. It is basically an IKEA Signum. You can buy that thing for 20 bucks and it will basically keep all of your wires and everything else really cool and really good on the desk itself. So if you're interested in that, just check IKEA and all the links will be in the description down below, of course. So of course guys, if you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below if I missed anything or if you have any questions. As well, daily I'll be streaming on Twitch, so check my Twitch channel out, twitch.tv/KaidGames. And of course I'll be making more videos and everything else. Sorry for not uploading a month or two, I was just waiting for all these things to arrive for both PCs, set them up with audio, there were problems and everything else. So that had to be done. But with that said, I'll soon make a bunch of more videos and everything else, so we'll be back on the grind. Like I said, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. My name is Kaid, signing out, have a good one, see you tomorrow, peace.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see it's true.